Hello good people. Welcome to the Elegant Mar channel. In this video, we will try to list best 5 airsoft guns. We tried to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. We just try to help you to find your best one. Okay, so let's get start with the video. Thank you. Number 5. Soft Air FN SCAR-L electric powered airsoft gun. This fully licensed FN SCAR-L spring rifle will meet and exceed your expectations in every way. The highly modular and instantly adaptable design will come in handy whether you'd like to use the rifle with optics and extended stock for longer range practice or with a folded stock for a close quarters battle with your friends. The FN SCAR-L shoots BBs at a whopping 400 FPS, has folding front and rear sights, a high-capacity magazine, and rails for easy accessory mounting. The rifle also includes a vertical hand grip to make your shooting both easier and more enjoyable. Number 4. Walther P99 Blowback 6mm BB Pistol Airsoft Gun. With each squeeze of the trigger, the metal slide blows back, delivering a realistic kick to your shots. Push down on the ambidextrous paddle-style mag release to quickly and cleanly eject the magazine. The 15-round drop-free magazine features a notch to lock the follower down, allowing easier loading. Load from the top or use the loading port on the back of the magazine. Release the magazine and you'll expose the hidden CO2 piercing knob. Pop off the backstrap to access the CO2 capsule chamber. Look for the unique lines and distinctive shape of the P99 as a trademark of Walther. CO2 airsoft pistols come and go, but Walther is known for a tradition of innovation. Add the P99 CO2 airsoft pistol to your game. The Walther Dow P99 airsoft gun shoots with precision and accuracy. Number 3. Soft Air Wrist Spring Rifle and Pistol On-Duty Kit. The Colt M4 On-Duty Kit equips you with the necessary gear for your next airsoft battle. It features a spring-powered M4 RIS airsoft rifle that pumps BBs out at about 340 FPS. The licensed Colt 1911 pistol is capable of reaching speeds of 240 FPS. The rifle's features allow multiple variations for customizations, adjustable stock, and vertical hand grip offers different configurations for users' comfort. The attached mounting rail and flashlight with elastic band provide easy target navigation. If this weren't enough, you will also receive 500 ultrasonic premium BBs and 2 flashlight units, one for each gun. Includes a Colt M4 RIS rifle and Colt 1911 pistol. Number 2. Lancer Tactical Gen 2 SPR Interceptor LT25 EG Electric Airsoft Gun. Designed with reinforced nylon polymer frame and furniture, ergonomically designed polymer textured grip, full metal version 2 gearbox with an upgraded torque motor. Upgraded handguard with removable handguard extension, 200mm top optic rail mount scopes, sights, and magnifiers, upgraded flip-up front and rear iron sights with quick deploy release. Metal gears and cylinder teeth are built inside the VER. 2 gearbox, gears rotate smoothly provided by the 8mm ball bearings, crafted and polished 6.03mm tight per barrel improves range and accuracy. Simple battery, 9.6 volts nunchuck, placement is sealed with a cover located in the back of the stock. Low resistance wiring prevents potential damage from the battery. Fires in full auto and semi-auto, with a functional safety. The quick change spring system make changing springs effortless. High capacity magazine holds 300 rounds. Retractable crane stock adjusts to meet the battle situation. And number 1. Umarex Glock 19 GEN 3.177 caliber BB gun air pistol. The Glock 19.177 caliber air pistol is ideal for a more versatile role because of its reduced dimensions when compared to the standard-sized option. It is compact and handy, with the unmistakable look of the original and plenty of power. In spite of its relatively small length of 7.25 inches, it shoots .177 caliber steel BBs with a velocity of up to 410 FPS and weighs a satisfying 25.6 ounces. In true Umarex form, it has a metal slide and a trigger safety. Officially licensed product of Glock.